Hey everybody, it's Miss Goodwin. It's our last day of virtual teaching slash virtual learning and last day before Thanksgiving break. So yay! I hope y'all all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and I definitely can't wait to be back in the classroom. Not this Monday, but next Monday when we're all back. So for today, first things first, it's actually my sister's birthday, y'all's substitute's birthday today. Wish her a big happy birthday. Everyone on the count of 3 say it. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. It'll be awesome. She'll be super excited. And then make sure you watch the video, which you're already doing. Complete the warm-up. So today's warm-up, I put up a Bet You Didn't Know Thanksgiving video. It's all these interesting facts about Thanksgiving that you probably didn't know. And it's only about 2 minutes. It's actually really cool. For your warm-up, you'll have to tell me what's one fact you learned about Thanksgiving that you didn't know, and what's your favorite Thanksgiving dish and why. So you have 2 questions on that. It's a 2-parter. And then make sure to record your Flipgrid, which you can do that in the Wednesday section. You'll be graded on both the script and the Flipgrid, so make sure both are submitted before you leave today for your Thanksgiving break. So that's a must. You have to have the script turned in and the Flipgrid recorded. If you haven't done either of those, you're going to have to go back to the other day's lessons and go finish them. Also, your rough draft needs to be submitted before you leave for Thanksgiving break as well. You should have already submitted this on Wednesday, but just in case you didn't, go ahead and submit it. If you've already recorded your Flipgrid, if you've already done your script, and you've already submitted your essay, awesome, you're a rock star. All I have left for you to do is complete this extra credit assignment, which is your Thanksgiving inferencing game. And it is for extra credit. It'll drop your lowest daily grade. So you'll press take the quiz. And then there's 8 questions. Each of the questions has 3 questions that you need to answer. And it's kind of like that text message game that we did where you'll have to guess how the characters know each other and why. You have to know where do you think this person is and why. What is one inference you can make about either character? They do have to be in complete sentences, and you do have to tell me the why if you want it to drop your lowest daily grade. So that's what you're going to be working on today afterwards. And yes, you can work with a partner, someone else who's also finished. And if everyone in the class has finished all of this, then my sister, Miss Goodwin, she'll play a game with the class with y'all. But until everyone's done, you're reading silently until the bell rings. If there's nothing else, then that's all you're doing today. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Remember, make smart choices. I love you all. Enjoy the break. Bye.